Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Hermes 9079 2 billion parameter for 8 GPU. Okay, to create this nice website like this, as you can see, using this Hermes and VS connected in VS Code. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to ollama.com/download and download Ollama for Windows. After downloading Ollama and installing, you get this icon like this. As you can see, this is my Ollama. Let's close it for now. Now let's return right here and go to models, search for our model, Hermes. Okay, this is the final version of Hermes. 9 Hermes 79. Okay, if you have 8 gigabytes of GPU, you can use this. If you have 16 gigabytes of GPU or more, you can use this model. Okay, for us, we have this. Let's see. After that, let's go right here, select this one, and press this. Go here, open command prompt, paste, and press enter to the downloading. Download this model. Okay, as you can see, the downloading of the model is beginning. Okay, as you can see, the model is downloaded successfully, and let's just right. It works perfect. Okay, let's use it for coding using VS Code. Okay, first of all, let's close this. Open VS Code. After opening VS Code, let's create a folder. On desktop, okay, go here, new. On the folder name what you want, for example, G. Okay. Click to this folder and hit select folder. Okay, the next step I want to do here to go to extensions and download this extension called continue. Okay, this one. Hit install. It's installing right now. Okay, it's finished installing. Let's go right here and go here to this plus. Not this plus. Go here. Chat model provider. Choose Ollama. For the model, choose auto detect and hit connect. Okay, as you can see, it's connected automatically. Close this and close this. Now, as you can see, this is my Hermes model. Okay, let's test it. Okay, create a website about the importance of charisma in public speaking using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And let's hit send. Let's start generating right now. Okay, let's say create file. Right, apply. I don't know why, but it's not create file. It didn't want to create a file. Okay, how to fix this problem? We have to go here, copy code, we return here, new file in this path. I'm gonna name it index.html. Okay, where is the position of this file? In this one, this location. Okay, it's created. Let's paste our code. Ctrl S to save, and let's go here, desktop index.html. Okay, as you can see, it's created successfully, but I don't know why it's not created automatically from it. It's applying right now. It works. Okay, this is all for this tutorial. This is how to use Hermes for coding. As you can see, this my website. This looks very nice.